With Session Update, I'm Julie Bartke. The Senate Tax Reform Committee today began working on tax reform measures, including one that would expand the sales tax base while lowering the overall rate. Now, under that proposal, clothing would be taxed as well, and it garnered much debate. Here's some testimony on that proposal.
Broadening the base to clothing certainly is the biggest item that I'm aware of, but to doing it in other areas, and when then altogether lowering the rate, I think is a way that we should approach tax policy. We should do it with the income tax system as well. Look for what we consider to be either obsolete or unhelpful deductions and credits, and instead of looking at raising the rates in the income tax system, we could possibly look at lowering the rates if we had a broader base. Does it create winners and losers? That always comes with a reform of some kind, and you can't always hold every single item or interest within the state harmless in order to do that.
As a person who marketed Mall of America for almost 24 years, I've been on the front lines of driving people to Minnesota, drawing people to Minnesota, and I really do understand what attracts people to this state. When people are deciding to come to Minnesota, the fact that we don't have sales tax on apparel is one of the top 3 decisions, top 3 factors in making their decision. And these tourists that come from outside Minnesota to shop in Minnesota are a huge impact on our state.
Is there any other business or industry that brings that much tourism to Minnesota?
No, the next largest tourism destination, believe it or not, is another retailer, Cabela's in Medford.
Retailers tell us that they are concerned about collecting a clothing tax as an added business expense. Today's job growth depends on retailers being able to invest in additional employees. Any increased cost, including sales tax collection and remittance costs, work against jobs growth.
The committee also heard a measure to extend the sales tax to internet purchases. The panel did not take action on any plan.